Hello students, welcome to channel Learning and Reading World. Today we are doing part 2 of class 6 science chapter, that is food, where does it come from. I hope you all remember that we have done till this edible or eatable parts, right? Today we have to do activity 4, right? So I hope it's clear to you, right? And today we will do from this part, from activity 4. So I hope you have done a revision till this part, right? And if you have not done, so please do it today, right? Please do it today till here, right? Now let's continue our today's chapter. Okay, so activity 4. So we are doing activity 4, right? This one. Okay, from all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. Which part of a plant? Identify these lists and the food item and plant parts as shown in table 1.4. So I hope you all know what we have done. We have done this one, right? In this we have done what we have done in this. We have written the food item with plant as the major source, right? Then we have written ingredients and source, and then we have written plant part, which gives us the ingredients, right? See, I know science is difficult for you, so what I am thinking to do is from a book first I'll read, okay, as I'm doing right now. Then what I will do in between, means after completing my this chapter till here, right? When I'll finish this chapter, then on a whiteboard I will explain you everything, right, in short points, and that you all have to write, right? Means you have to make the notes yourself. I will give you the key points, right? It's clear? So let's continue our chapter now. So I hope you all get it till here. Plant part, which gives us the ingredient. Here you have to write in food item you have to write the name of the item, then ingredients which are used, right? And then in the third column where it's written fruit seed, there you have to write that the ingredient which you have used is which part of your plant, right? Okay, activity 5. Take some dry seeds of moong or chana. Put a small quantity of seed. So what you have to do, just look carefully what I'm explaining, right? So you have to take seeds of moong or chana and then put a small quantity. You do not have to use at least one bowl, no, use less quantity of seeds, right? And then put a small quantity of seeds in a container and then fill it with water and leave this aside for a day. Means then leave it for 1 day, right? Next day drain the water. Then what you have to do, you have to drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Mean आपको उसको सुखाना है, उसका पानी सारा सुखाना है, right? And when you will leave it in water for one day, then it will absorb it also. The seeds will absorb the water also, right? Then wrap them with a piece of a wet cloth, right? Then you have to wrap them with a cloth and then set aside. The following day, do you observe any changes in the seeds? So I hope you all see, when you put it with water, right? What you have done, you have like taken the seeds of a chana or more, and then you have put it in the container with filled of water. So when you will open it next day or after 2 days, it will be look like this. I hope you all can see this. Wait, let me zoom it. It's easy for you. Just wait a moment. Yes. Just wait. See, now I think it's better. You can see this. Let me take another color. Yes. Can you see all these white, right? Can you see these? So once you leave it in water, right, for 1 day or 2 days, and then you when you wipe it with a cloth, right, with a wet cloth, then again you keep it for half a day or 1 day, it will look like this. I hope you all can see this thing. So this becomes the before and after, right? This becomes before and after. Now let's continue. A small white, see it's written here also, even a small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. So you can see that here we have white this structure, right? And after keeping it in water for 1 day or 2 days, you can see there's no one white structure. It has grown out of the seeds. So these were called seeds of chana or moong, right? So small white structure may have grown out of seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. This is called sprouted. In figure 1.5 means in this figure, and then in this figure. Sorry. Yeah. Here you go. Yes. So in this figure and in this figure, you can see the difference. See, this is more, right? This green sprouts, and these are white brown sprouts, which are called chana. You all have eaten also. Your mothers cook at home, right? So if not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water and leave them aside for another day. Cover it with wet cloth. The next day, see if the seeds have sprouted. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. So when you see that the seeds have grown, they have sprouted, then you can eat. Even these sprouted seeds help you to get rid of fat also, right? It's good for health even, right? This we can say that they are boiled, right? This becomes boiled. After washing the sprouted seeds, you can eat them. They can also be boiled. See, I told you. Add some spices and get a tasty snacks to eat. You can eat, you can boil it or keep this as in water for 1 or 2 days, and then you can make a chaat. Means you can put some lemon, right? Lemon syrup or like, and you can put some spice and then you can eat yourself, right? It's become a home food. It look like as a healthy also. It's good for your health and you will love to eat also. Do you know where honey comes from or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar, means sweet juice from flowers, convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Figure 1.7. Wait, let me. So, figure 1.7. Flower and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So bees store this nectar for their use although all through the year. So what is nectar? See, bees collect, you all have seen even that bees sits on flower, right? Bees love to sits on flower. And wait, let me explain you in the easiest way. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm taking this white part, right? So suppose, wait, this is, oh sorry, okay. So suppose, what is happening here? This is your flower. Oh, see what I have drawn. Okay, wait. See, I'm drawing just roughly, right? Don't take it seriously. This is flower, and in between they have. Mm, see, they have so much. Wait, what is happening in my pen? Okay, see, this I'm drawing a big flower. Okay, right, I'm drawing it just roughly so that you can understand. And in between, they have like some like this. I hope you have seen some dots in between the flowers, right? Have you seen the dots in between? Like here, then here. So many dots are there. See, like this. Okay, this is the structure of a flower. Then this portion, from here the bees collect the juice, right? From this part, the middle part of here, bees collect juice. If I'll draw this again, see, this is my flower, and here I have like so many, right? This is full of juice. So from here bees collect the juice, and then what they do, they convert it. That juice is called nectar. It's called nectar. They convert it into honey, right? They convert it into honey and then store it. They store it in their hive. They store it in their hive, means where they live, hive, right? Then flower and their nectar may be available only for a part of a year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. See, ये सिर्फ साल में एक बार अवेलेबल होता है, only for a part of the year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. So they collect for all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. Now, what do animals eat? Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of? A dog, cat, buffalo, or a goat? You will then surely be aware of the food the animal eats. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, a pigeon, a lizard, or a small insect may be eating as their food? See, we know that about dog, cat, buffalo, or a goat. But do you know about a squirrel, a pigeon, a lizard, or an insect, what they eat? So, Activity 6. Several animals are listed in table 1.5. For some of them, the type of food they eat is also given. Fill in the blanks in the table. So here they have given you food items. Where are they? Here, see, grass, oil cake, hay, with grain. All these things are here written. Can you see this part? And I hope you can see the names of the animal also. Can you see this? Buffalo, cat, rat. Then you have to fill all these things yourself. And I hope you will be able to fill at the end. Have you look again at table 1.5? This table, okay? And group the animal entered here as follows. Place animal which eat only plants or plant products in group 1. Okay. So in group 1, you have to write only animal name who eat only plant product. So these in group 1, these called herbivores. So animals who eat only plant products, they are called herbivores. Let me zoom it more. So let me tell you again. Okay, yeah. So animals who eat only plant or plant products are called herbivores, right? Now there are some animals which eat other animals, they are called carnivores, right? Now in group 3, you will write the animal who eat both. First we have talked about the plants. Now we have talked about the animals who eat other animals, means like chicken you can take, right? अब हम थर्ड टेबल में इन दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे, मीन्स 2 + 1 = 3. अब हम इन दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे, मीन्स एनिमल हु ईट नंबर 2 ऑल्सो and who eat number 1 also, means who eat both plant products and animal products. So they are called omnivores. They are called omnivores, right? So who will eat both the number 2 and number 1? जो दोनों नंबर खाएंगे उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? omnivorous, carnivorous, herbivores. सो 1 नंबर पे कौन सा था? जिसने सिर्फ प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स खाए उसको हम बोलेंगे हर्बीवोरस, क्योंकि जिसने सब्जियां खाई ना तो वो अच्छा है, उसको हम बोलेंगे सॉरी इट्स नॉट क्लियर टू यू, wait let me write it again, make it more small. They will call herbivore and then res, res. Now this is called number 1. अब हम नंबर 2 को क्या नेम दे रहे हैं? नंबर 2 को हम देंगे Carnivores, VORES. इतना इजी था ना? तो नंबर 2 को हमने नेम दे दिया कार्निवोरस और नंबर 1 को हमने दे दिया हर्बीवोरस. अब जब हम कार्निवोरस और हर्बीवोरस को प्लस करेंगे, मीन्स 2 और 1 को प्लस करेंगे तो हमारे पास आएगा नंबर 3, मीन्स omnivores, right? Now prepare a table as in table 1.6 and enter these separately in the 3 column as shown. तो अब आपको जो एनिमल्स यहाँ पे इन्होंने लिखे हुए ना, आपको इन जो एनिमल्स यहाँ पे रखे हुए आपको इन सबको डिवाइड करना है. ओके जो वेट बफेलो क्या खाती है? ग्रास खाती है, ऑयल केक खाती है, हे खाती है, ग्रेन खाती है. बफेलोस क्या खाती हैं? ग्रास. मीन्स क्या हुआ वो? प्लांट प्रोडक्ट. प्लांट प्रोडक्ट मीन्स नंबर 1. नंबर 1 को हमने क्या नेम दिया? हर्बीवोरस मीन्स H. नाउ कैट क्या खाती है? कैट खाती है अदर एनिमल लाइक माउस. सो माउस क्या हो जाएगा? कार्निवोरस. कार्निवोरस मीन नंबर 2. सो वील राइट C. नाउ रैट क्या खाता है? रैट कीड़े खाता है, ये भी आ जाएगा कार्निवोरस में. लायन क्या होता है? लायन कार्निवोरस. देन टाइगर. लाइक कुछ एनिमल्स होते हैं जो दोनों खाते हैं, कुछ होते हैं जो सिर्फ प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स खाते हैं, कुछ होते हैं जो सिर्फ चिकन खाते हैं. सो आपको इसको ऐसे डिवाइड करना है, राइट? एंड आपको उनके नेम्स यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. सी इट्स शोन ऑल्सो. कैन यू डू इट? 1 2 3 4 5. Then again 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 and 5. So इसको हमने एक मार्क्स का कर देते हैं. ये हो जाएगा सी इसमें 1 2 3 4 then 4 and then 4. कितने कॉलम्स हुए? 12 कॉलम्स. इट मीन्स हम इसको 12 मार्क्स का कर देते हैं. ओके सो ये वाला हमारा एक तरह से क्या हो जाएगा? टेस्ट. तो टेबल 1.6 का टेस्ट है एंड ये है 12 मार्क्स का. ठीक है, ओके. मैंने भी आप सबको इतने अच्छे समझाया तो अब सब अच्छे से करेंगे. पहेली wants to know where you would place human beings while filling 1.6. तो ये जो लड़के ने चाहते हैं कि आप ह्यूमन बींग्स का बताओ, आप उनको कहाँ रखोगे? सी ह्यूमन बींग कुछ होते हैं जो हर्बीवोरस होते हैं, कुछ होते हैं ओमनीवोरस भी होते हैं, कुछ कार्निवोरस भी होते हैं। सो अब जिसने इस क्वेश्चन का सही मीन्स करेक्ट आंसर दिया उसको +5 मार्क्स एक्स्ट्रा, मीन्स 12 and then 5 becomes 17 मार्क्स। अब देखते हैं कौन है जो 17 में से 17 लाएगा। ओके, now let's finish this chapter. We know that there are many among us who do not get sufficient food. We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country. That will not be enough. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us. So ये जो समरी होती है, ये सब पढ़ते हैं ना, इसमें वो होता है जो लाइक चैप्टर में जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट लगता है ना बुक वालों को, वो यहाँ पे वो पॉइंट्स लिख देते हैं, जिससे बच्चे एक बार बस अपना चैप्टर पढ़ लें एंड उसके बाद ये पॉइंट्स पढ़ लें तो बच्चों को अच्छे से चैप्टर लर्न हो जाएगा। अब हमने ये सारी चीज़ें पढ़ ली हैं न्यू वर्ड कीवर्ड्स की, है ना। सबने इंग्रेडिएंट्स पढ़ लिए हैं, सबने एडिबल पढ़ लिया है, सबने नेक्टर पढ़ लिया है, हमने स्प्राउटेड सीड्स पढ़ लिए, हमने हर्बीवोर पढ़ लिया है, देन कार्निवोर एंड नाउ ओमनीवोर। सो हमें इस चैप्टर में कितने मिलेंगे? 10 out of 10। बट अगर किसी ने ये चैप्टर अच्छे से नहीं किया तो उसको 10 में से 10 नहीं मिलेंगे। See, we have completed this chapter, right students? Now your homework is to do question 4 will be your homework. This is your homework. This is your homework. Wait, let me write it again. This is homework. Now we are left with column 1, question 1, 2 and 3. Do you find that living beings need the same kind of food? Name 5 plants and their parts name 5 plants and their part that we eat, and then just match the column. So this whole exercise is very easy and it is homework. Whole is homework 1, 2, 3 and then 4. ठीक है? So ये हो जाएगा हमारा आज का होमवर्क। So question 1, 2, 3 and 4 is होमवर्क। मैं अपने यहाँ पे इसलिए साइन भी कर रही हूँ, ठीक है। एंड जो ये होमवर्क नहीं करके आएगा इट मीन उसको ये चैप्टर समझ में नहीं आया। एंड जो अच्छे से पूरी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे एंड इस चैप्टर को एक केयरफुली रीड करेंगे, वो इस वीडियो पे एक लाइक देंगे एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में यस लिखेंगे, ठीक है। ओके, क्लियर? जिनको ये चैप्टर समझ में आ गया है, जिन्होंने पूरा चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज कर लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, जिन्होंने मेरी बात मानी है एंड ये 1.6 टेबल किया है, वो इस वीडियो में लाइक देंगे, थम्स अप करेंगे एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में यस लिखेंगे, Okay, clear? So clapping for you all. Have completed this chapter thoroughly, and please watch my video. I'm explaining everything in easy way. Okay, now it's time to end the video. Thank you, students, and please keep watching my videos. Give likes to my video, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.